Hey guys and gals, let's take a look at my Lego Pick-a-Brick standard haul for March 2024. And yeah, this arrived like 6 weeks later, so let's open this up. And yes, I do sound a bit different. I have got this nasty head cold that everybody else has been getting. Apparently somebody at the office did not want to take time off, so they got everybody sick, including me, and I'm not in a good mood. So hopefully this will put me in a good mood here. Well, this is already opened, probably because I cut it open, but let's see here. I don't see anything in the bottom of the envelope. And these are much needed parts for MOCs and stuff, so let's pour all those out there. Whoa, look at all those goodies. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, before somebody makes fun of me because of my hands, this flu will really knock the life out of you. So that's why I'm kind of jittery today, and very rarely ever see me wear long sleeves in a video. Alrighty, and you know what I forgot to do? Hit the phone recorder. Well, if it's scratchy on your end, then so be it. I'm just too tired to care. Okay, let's take a look here. I got some cake toppers of various sizes. You know what, since the phone recorder's not running, and some people like hearing the scratchy mic, well, I got these for making cake toppers. I could always use those. Got that in the medium Azure. Let's see here. I got them in white, dark pink, and that's I think that's light aqua blue. Okay, that's not too bad. Here's some pieces I've been eyeballing for quite some time, and these are those 1x2 plates with slide, but those are in silver metallic. I use these sometimes for making bumpers for cars, and now I have them in that color. I've been eyeballing them, but now they're here, so I can use those for something cool. What's this? Could it be? Is Jay actually going to make a train? Maybe so. So I got just a pair of these because I've been kind of toying around the idea of making a train. And so I got those for that. Now I got some 1x2x3 slopes. I know exactly what project these are going to belong to. I can't tell you what it is, but I need a bunch of those, and I couldn't find anybody who had enough that I needed. Alright, and I got some of these little dog balloons, or balloon dogs, in the transparent green. I don't know how many of those I got, but I think I have them in blue. Well, now I have them in green, so that's cool. And some 1x1 by 1 1/3 brick with bow. This is in the spring green. Great for making bedspreads and stuff, since this spring's coming around the corner. And I don't remember ever putting this in my cart. I'll have to check. One of these phone receivers things. Let me look here. Let's see here. Did Lego make a boo-boo? Because I don't remember ever putting that in my cart. I'm checking as I go because Lego's been known to make mistakes. I'm not going to complain. I can always use it. No, that is not in there. It's a bonus part, huh? Okay, well, I can always use that for something. And some of these little leafy pieces, I got them in dark green and earth green. These are like the new ones that came out. They got a bigger variant of this. I need to get a couple of those eventually. And I got some of these earth green stud flowers. These are the new replacement stud flowers that Lego's coming up with. There's a lot more of these than the other ones, so I'm trying to get a few more of those. And some of these low profile 2x2, or maybe it's a 2x4x1 brick with screen, or Mudguard. I didn't have any of these in yellow. I needed them for a project for last year, and I slacked off, so you know how that goes. But I got 4 of them for a vehicle project. And I got one of these backpacks. I thought I didn't have that in my cart. Y'all know I like to do camping, especially backpacking and stuff, so I got that. Is that even something in there? Did I even put that in there? Yes, I did. Alright, just making sure. I couldn't recall. And that's my biggest gripe with the Lego Pick-a-Brick Standard. It takes 6 weeks. Why does Lego do that? I don't know. By the time I get the order here, I forget half the time what all these parts go to. I know what these go to. I know what these go to. That's all that matters. And then, of course, the train parts. I'm working on a train. I don't know how many of you would like to see me build a full custom train, but I've been just kind of dabbling with it. But for the most part, though, that's it for the haul. It's a little assortment of parts and stuff, and, you know, something to tide me over for a bit. And, yeah, it took 6 weeks to get this stuff here, but now I can continue on with this year's tutorials.